So here's a couple different examples of mammals, and let's look at some characteristics of mammals. So they all have body hair that can protect them from the cold or sun. Now, some of them will only have this body hair during certain stages of their life. A lot of whales really only have hair when they're very young, and it'll often be in the form of whiskers. And that's kind of for sensory, and so they can help to find their mothers. But at some point, all mammals have body hair. The 3 middle ear bones that help with hearing, and those are very, very small. Females have milk to feed their young, so mammary glands, and that is where mammals come from.
All these animals have in common? They can all be classified as mammals. Welcome to Moo Moo Math and Science and Characteristics of Mammals. There's a great deal of variety among mammals. This hog-nosed bat weighs only 1.5 grams. The largest mammal, a blue whale, can weigh up to 300,000 pounds. A wolf may travel an area of 400 square miles, but a mole rat may never leave its burrow. A horse will eat plants its entire life, and a lion is an efficient hunter. There are over 4,000 different species of mammals. But what makes a mammal a mammal? First, all mammals have a backbone and a spinal cord. The vertebrae protects the spinal cord, which delivers electrical signals from the brain throughout the body. Next, all mammals have hair. The hair protects the mammal from sun, freezing rain, and slows evaporation of moisture. Let's take a look at a couple examples of this zygomatic arch. Here it is with the human and a cat. Almost all mammals, not all, have external ears, which allow them to hear. The platypus does not have external ears, but hears with its bill. Along with several marine mammals like the dolphin, also do not have external ears. However, with many mammals, the large external ears allow them to hear, much like these ears on the elephant. They also help the elephant cool down when it's hot.
When we are thinking about the classification of mammals, we are again in kingdom Animalia, and then phylum Vertebrata, or phylum Chordata, and then in the subphylum of Vertebrata. There we go, up top. I was trying to remember and it was right there. And then we're in class Mammalia. So there are 18 total orders, and 2 of them are kind of weird, but we have Monotrema, and the only monotremes that we have are in Australia, and they are platypuses and echidna. And they actually lay eggs. Kind of a review from that other page we saw. They do have hair or fur during at least one part of their lives, sweat glands, but some animals have lost their sweat glands. So there's some dogs who don't have sweat glands, and that's why you'll see them panting, because that's how they're going to cool down. Mammary glands form milk, those tiny 3 middle ear bones, a specialized region of the brain called the neocortex, for seeing and hearing, specialized teeth. So for us, we're omnivores, right? So we have grinding teeth in back, and we have grabbing and tearing teeth in front.
Animals have in common more than you might think. Along with over 5,000 other species, they're mammals, or members of class Mammalia. All mammals are vertebrates, meaning they have backbones. But mammals are distinguished from other vertebrates by a number of shared features. That includes warm blood, body hair or fur, the ability to breathe using lungs, and nourishing their young with milk.